What is going on, guys? So, I got another component in today for the Corolla build. These are the NVX VSP69 450 watt speakers. They're 6x9 coaxial speakers. And just to give you all some specs. So, there is two different versions of the specs, one in, I guess, in Spanish or something, and one in English. 89 dB, 70 to 20,000 hertz. Then we have RMS of 150 each, peak of 450 each. 25 millimeter silk dome. So if you watched my Toro, which are component 6.5s, they're 13. Y30 ferrite magnet, high temperature TSV, voice coil, polypropylene cone, nitrile Butadiene, rubber surround, stamped steel basket. Overall, they're 9.25 by 6.5, and they are 6.61 by 4.64 mounting. Cutout is 8.66 by 5.90, and depth is 3 inches, 0.14. Let's get started. So, I haven't even opened these up. I've heard them, they sound awesome, so I figured for this build I might as well order some and try them out. There has been an update to my order. I will not be getting a DD1 like I originally thought. They're out of stock right now, and I think I'm just going to save my money up for a DD1 Plus. Alright, that's going to be a pain to get back in the box. Alright, so this gives us information on all of the different speakers, on wiring up, mounting, and things like that. So, let's check those out. I'm not going to open both for time's sake of this video. Let me go ahead and put that other one back in here. Try to keep it a little organized around here. Plus, I also have my laptop behind me, which I don't want to damage. Okay, so hardware. And this is going to be the little mounting nuts and screws. Pretty much the same for every company. Wow. Now this magnet is a seriously big magnet compared to the other one on the Toros. I'm saying that the other one's bad for what size speaker it is. It is sufficient. If you're in a 6x9, it does take a little bit more. Looky there. Looky there. That's a really pretty subwoofer. So, we have our tweeter here. It has its filtration system, like a crossover pretty much, that ties in right here. These are just some, I believe, well, these don't say, did I? 3.3, 100 volt little filters. So they'll filter out unwanted, unnecessary noise. These are non-adjustable. That's kind of a bummer, but oh well. Very nice, very nice. These are two-way, obviously. I don't remember what ohm load these are. I don't think it's stated. I really don't. Let's see. No. Never says the ohm load. 3.93 pounds. I got my meter here. We can check the ohm load. I'm sure somebody will. Go ahead and use my clamp meter. That's right here. Set it to ohm load. And it's an auto, so if I can keep the prongs on it. Huh. Well. Got resistance. There we go. Let's say they're 8 ohm because my meter's getting close to dying probably. And they did go to 7.5. I know that's not a very accurate test, but I don't have another meter here to use, so my clamp meter would have to work. And it's been a lot. So these are going to be awesome. I can't wait to try them. Make sure to check it out for a later video. I'll be installing them, comparing them to the stock on the stock head unit and the Pioneer, and then when they get amped.